Premium egg laying, chicken project preview. Our company contracts basic automation, economized package project, with the concept of engineering production, boosting the growth of aquaculture enterprises. Feed system. Feed trucks carry bulk feed from feed mills, delivered to the chicken coop tower. The feed tower weighing instrument automatically weighs the feed in the feed tower and displayed on the display. The display automatically records the daily feed consumption. Feed by transverse spiral ceratops. The feed in the tower to the feeding hopper of the chicken coop. The feeding cart runs back and forth through the feeder. Distribute the feed evenly over the trough. Height of leveler adjustable by adjusting the height of the leveler. The thickness of the material layer can be controlled. The whole process exactly as preset. Automatic control program to work. Reasonable chute structure. The chickens don't throw out their feed when they're feeding. This saves on feed costs. Drinking water dosing system. The front main water line of the chicken coop is designed with a filter, smart water meter, dosing device, pressure gauge, decompression regulator. When you need to add medication for immunity, the drug passes through the proportional dispenser. As drinking water enters the water line, buffer pressure regulator can adjust the water pressure. Drinking water is piped from the front end to the end of the chicken coop. Top of each chicken coop, 360-degree rotating water dispenser in the middle. Make sure all chickens only drink enough water. There is a water pressure display pipe at the end of the water pipe. It can visually display the size of drinking water pressure. Prompt system. Longwang bottom net adopts imported aluminized new wire. The wire has high strength, good elasticity, and long service life. It can effectively relieve muscle fatigue. Bottom net inclination 7 degrees. Get out at a reasonable angle. Designed to reduce egg breakage rates. The eggs are rolled from the chicken coop to the egg belt. Conveyor belts carry eggs from each row of chicken coops, automatically sent to the front end of the chicken coop. Egg collecting device. Gently transfer the eggs to the vertical egg collector. The matching central egg delivery system will. The eggs are transferred from the front end of the chicken coop to the egg room. Manure cleaning system. Each chicken coop has a layer of manure bags. The chicken manure from each layer of the flock is scattered on the green manure bag. The chicken manure runs with the green manure bag to the end. Chicken manure running to the end. After the manure scraping device falls on the horizontal manure cleaner of the chicken house. Finally, the oblique manure cleaner. The dung truck outside the delivery house is transported away. At the end of the coop, tilt scrapers installed on each column and each floor. Flexible chicken manure double scraper. Not only can it ensure that the manure cleaning belt will not be damaged, and complete manure removal can be achieved. Environmental automatic control system. Fully enclosed feeding mode. Environmental control instrument imported from abroad. Automatic control of the environment in the chicken coop. Coop environment system configuration includes fan, wet curtain flap, and ventilated window. Automation controller configuration. Temperature sensor included humidity sensor, negative pressure sensor, and carbon dioxide sensor, according to the set temperature, humidity, and negative pressure. Carbon dioxide concentration. Automatic adjustment of fan speed and number of fan groups. Window size, lost connection opening and closing, and lost connection port size. Integrated intelligent preparation, drinking water spray, lighting, and communication. Realize the office and mobile phone data transmission and control.